All right, fam, we're doing it again on the Chop It Up Kitchen. Today we're going to be preparing for you alkaline burger buns. That's right, hamburger buns, sandwich buns, whatever kind of buns you want to have it. But we're going to be doing some buns today for your black bean burgers, your chickpea burgers, whatever kind of burger, vegan Dr. Sebi style burger. These are the buns for you. So we're just going to go ahead and dive right into it, just make a quick video because it's basically real simple. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 cups of spelt flour. And like I said, all the ingredients will be down in the description box. And if you haven't already did it, go ahead and hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And jump on over to the Chop It Up Kitchen. We're going to go ahead and take 1/4 cup of garbanzo bean flour along with the 2 cups of spelt flour. Dump that on in there. All right, we got the flours. And about a ½ tablespoon of sea salt, or however to your liking. But like I say, always to the taste, baby. Always to the taste. So about a starter, maybe a tablespoon of sea salt up in there. Okay, fam, the next ingredient will be 1.5 cups of sparkling spring water, but you pour a little bit in at a time. You don't pour it all in a time because we're not gonna make it into a dough ball. So pour a little bit in a time, but just say about 1.5 cups. But play it by ear, play it by ear. So we're gonna go ahead and get that up in there. Cup. We're gonna start off with 1 cup and pour it in a little bit at a time. Okay. There's the cup right there. We're gonna go ahead and get that going up in there. We're gonna pour a little bit at a time. We got our little whisk. We're gonna whisk all these ingredients together too. I want to whisk all the ingredients together. We'll pour a little bit at a time. And last but not least, about a tablespoon of agave, just for a little extra measure. A little sweetness to your bread if you want. So we got all that in there. We're gonna mix it and stir it up real good. Dr. Sebi style, baby. You know why? Your health is your wealth, baby. So we're gonna go and pour a little bit in there. What we're trying to do is get that dough ball popping off. Get that dough ball. You're gonna have to use your hands, baby. Cause like I say, it take a whole lot of dough to make dough. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get it on popping. A little bit of time. There we go. So I said just about 1 cup. Start out with 1 cup. If you need a little bit more, a little bit less, it's up to you. Right now we're getting it all going. So we're gonna pour a little bit in there, a little bit more up in there. We get it all, and then once we're done, we want to let it sit for a few minutes, maybe about 20-30 minutes, so it can that sparkling spring water can put a little rise to it. You feel me? A little bit at a time. Get that all up in there. Knead it. Yeah, that's why I say play it by ear with the sparkling water, a little bit at a time. Knead that dough. Get that popping off. There we go. So you want to get this dough ball like this, and you want to go ahead and let it set for about, like I said, about 20-30 minutes. Give it a chance to get a little rise to it. So we're gonna let this sit for about 20, cover it, let it sit for about 20 minutes. And we're gonna come back and hook up the buns, baby. Knead it. You want to knead it for about 5 minutes as well, too. I'm gonna get these alkaline buns good to go. We got the fire on high. We want to have it on a high heat. Well, I guess you can say a medium high. Gonna add a nice amount of grapeseed oil. Gotta judge it, maybe about 3 tablespoons, but you want to get the pot nice and hot and greased real good. So we're gonna go ahead, and I'm gonna do it by eye, baby, always by eye. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get that in there. So we got them in there. We're gonna roll them out real good. Roll them out real good. Roll them out like that. Roll them out. Pre-mash. I'm gonna pre-mash them. Yeah, we're gonna pre-mash them a little bit. Get them going. Okay. We're gonna pre-mash them like that. fast. All right, fam, we got these alkaline burger buns all good to go. Ain't nothing left but the taste test. See, we got them all nice and good. Just all that's rest is the filling. So let me go ahead and take me a little piece of it. Just like butter, baby. Like I always say, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Your health is your wealth. Stay tuned for the next video.